Hello there! Welcome back to another damn keyboard unboxing!
Not the last.
Not the last, for sure, that's for sure, and definitely not the first. So this is Keychron K2HE 75% Wooden Special Edition. So for keyboard references, I have a Keychron Q6 Max, currently acting as my door stopper.
Oh, yeah.
But that's because it's in this case. I just need something to hold the door open because I brought it back, and it's just in its case. I haven't taken it out yet, but it's not. I'm not using it as a door stopper. Anyway, I still use it day to day. It's not a door stopper. Just right now, it conveniently is because it's the heaviest object I own that can keep the door open because it keeps closing. Anyway, the next one I have is this Hall Effect H this thing, whatever this one is. It's like their top, I don't know, HE Hall Effect 8000 polling thingamabobber. It's only wired though.
Oh.
You can't do Bluetooth or the USB dongle, but anyway. And then I also have an Akko keyboard that's a wooden MUO2 version, whatever. It's a really nice style. But anyway, this is my fourth, the wooden keyboard from Keychron. Now, I believe this is walnut wood, right? So magnetic Hall Effect keyboard, unlike traditional mechanical keyboards. Yeah, this one's magnetic. Compact design, 75%. Yep. Supports Mac OS, Windows, and for some reason Linux needs a specialized I don't know. Web configure. Yep. Like every Keychron, 1000 polling rate. Pair up to 3 devices. Screw-in stabilizer with light effects. I believe this is walnut wood because usually most keyboards are made out of walnut. But anyway.
Also, if you guys haven't checked out the unboxing videos for the other 3, they're all on this channel. So if you missed any of them,
all right, I'm gonna pull this up. I'm pause real quick. All right, so I checked. This keyboard is walnut wood, like I thought. So most wooden keyboards are made of walnut. I'm not sure why, but I'm just assuming it's probably the easiest to obtain wood or something. Unless you want to go specialized on, but anyway.
Stable.
I would assume it's easy to obtain and it also sounds good.
Like the sound.
I think so.
The sound of the
log. The sound, yeah. Okay, now the question. Okay. Now here's the $1 million question.
How do you open it?
How do I open it?
Oh Jesus!
Oh, there we go.
Nice.
Ooh.
Very nice.
I mean, it's the same boxing. Come on, it's the same box. All right. Let me move my keyboard. Okay. Can I even? Okay. Well, hey, that'll do. Okay, so we open it up.
Ooh.
Oh my God! It's another box. Can I like? It's getting annoying.
Nice. Oh.
Please.
Oh.
Please.
Oh.
Please.
Should be okay. Oh.
Please.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah, there's my Switch. Anyway, okay, here we go. This'll do. Okay.
Nice.
So I unbox. You get the foam. I'm gonna flip this over. You get your usual quick start guide.
Ooh, stickers.
As usual, your quick start guide. So, am I holding this the right way? No, I'm not.
No, you're not.
Okay. No, I am holding it the right way. Quick start. Okay.
Now you are. Yeah.
Quick start guide.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh.
No, spacebar's on the bottom. Yeah, warranty. There you go.
Yeah.
So this is what this is. Windows users connect a Bluetooth, so I can connect this to my iPad when I'm at work. Ha!
For 12 hours.
Yeah. But this back is new. Okay, so this is new. This kind of like back. I haven't seen this before. This is new. This stylizing it. What?
Why is there salt?
No, dude, no. This is do not eat, throw away immediately. That's because I guess it gets out the moisture out of the package.
Oh, okay. Okay. I was just like, what are you eating in here? Yeah, but
no.
It's usually for food that they have those, right? Like
no, they don't.
Well,
no, that is for like clothing and other stuff to keep like the moisture out. You definitely don't want that in your food. The backlight, yeah, adjust the backlight brightness. Keychron app launcher.
Viewers, you learned a valuable lesson. If you want to poison someone, you want to, because it looks just like salt, right? When you open it, so you put it in a salt container and then they shake their salt in it. And it's actually
for legal reasons.
Silica gel.
This is a joke.
A disclaimer: if you do act on this, do not. You cannot point back to this video that we told you to do it.
Wait, hold on a minute. This is the. I'm gonna buy a laptop.
It's stickers.
I'm
Yeah.
gonna buy a laptop.
They're-
I'm gonna put this on my laptop. This looks cool.
It's stickers. Yeah, that's what I realized. Right?
No, this whole thing is like a sticker.
Wait, no, it's individual.
No, this whole thing is.
No, it's individual, bro.
Oh, it is individual.
Yeah, it has to be.
I thought this
If you-
whole thing was a sticker.
So you can choose.
Okay. But yeah, I would love to put this on my laptop. Well, whenever I get a laptop.
I can have a few. I have a laptop.
Just buy a keyboard. Just buy another one. I have 4. You only...
You have 4 copies of the stickers, though, right?
That actually hurt. Unironically, that actually hurt because it landed on my toes. Okay, general guide, Keychron user manual, as we all know and love to this day.
No one reads.
Yep. We got. Can I grab
The
it?
wires. Ooh.
Yeah, these are the wires.
I'm guessing the switch puller. What the?
Oh, that's for this is I believe is for the stabilizers and adding more foam. This thing. So unscrew the stabilizers, add more foam. Of course, you have the USB dongle.
Ooh, nice.
I have to remember that I have one from my other keyboard right there.
Get the mix.
I can't get that mixed. Does that differentiate from the others, or is it the exact same?
It looks the same.
Okay. Because I have another one for my Q6
Yeah,
Q6 Max. So.
Switches.
Oh no, that's. Oh, it comes pre-configured for Mac.
Ooh.
Okay, so we got extra keys for Windows, which I'll probably switch.
Yeah.
Wait, no, because this is for work. This is for at my apartment for work.
Okay.
We have the keycaps remover, and then we have the actual cable. Nice. Well, this is keycaps and the switch remover because it has both sides. And then there's nothing here. Okay. Ooh, this is a nice. Yeah, they've been upgrading their cables, I think.
Ooh.
Really nice.
It's almost leathery. It's I like it. Because usually cables feel like what's that?
Like plasticky.
Plastic, yeah. Plastic.
This is pretty light for a keyboard.
Yeah, compared to my Behemoth.
Compared to this one here.
Oh yeah, that one too, the titanium or whatever. Yeah.
It's not titanium. That's whatever it was.
Yeah, this is very. You know what? Portable. Very portable. This is very easy to grab and go. It's very,
wooden keyboards are actually quite light.
Very nice.
Funny enough. I'm just putting everything back in the box to reorganize. Repackaging. But so far, I mean, another reason why I got it was because it sounded so nice. Compared to a lot of other keyboards, Keychron for me has consistently both lasted a long time and they sound really nice. So
Keychron, if you're watching.
I mean, hey, I have 3 of their keyboards now.
So if you're watching.
Yeah, if you're watching.
You guys need some sponsors. Some subjects.
Okay. So this is the Keychron keyboard. 75% wireless magnetic. Let's take it out of its casing. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Feel that wood.
Oh.
Feel that wood.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, Luigi. Oh yeah. Oh. Oi. Oi. Oi.
Oh yeah.
Oi, oi, oi.
So spacebar.
Ooh.
Enter key. Escape key. Caps lock. Shift. Control. Backspace. Regular keys. Yeah. I love it. It's really nice. And I love the side kind of gold thing here.
What's that for?
For switching. So from wire. So this is from I can't freaking read. It's Mac OS to Windows. Yes, from Mac to Windows. And then this one is from Mac to Windows. This one is from wired. On the right, it's Bluetooth. And then towards the left, it's the USB dongle. So USB dongle, wired, Bluetooth.
Nice.
And then this is what the lights look like.
Ooh,
It's pretty nice.
it's nice.
So yeah. Yeah,
It's nice.
I like it a lot.
It's
Yeah.
very nice.
And I love the feeling of the wood as well. Like compared to like the metal body or like aluminum, for like this one, the AK series, the wood one is also really nice. It's a lot lighter and easier to take with you.
Yep.
So
Mobile.
Mhm.
So it's good to pair it with a laptop or
yeah.
iPad or something like that.
Mm-hmm. But yeah, so that's my review of it. Yeah. I like it. I'm gonna get to using it, and then yeah. All right. So that's is the camera good? Yeah. Okay. That's our review. That's later. That's later. That's later. All right. Yeah. Here, this is gonna be my thumbnail. Okay. See you later.